How's it going, guys? Welcome to another video. I'm here to talk to my Herbalife reps. I see you guys on social media, pushing a business. From my understanding, being around the industry, you guys are mainly offline. You do events, you do meetings. That's the bread and butter of usually how you guys push your business. But I see a lot of you on Instagram, obviously trying to get more leads because you can open up shop via online, kind of like internet marketing. And what I pretty much do is help people, grow their brand online and pretty much take their business to the next level with different marketing strategies. Some that you probably would have never thought you would ever come across. Below is a link, to a special device, that's been very crucial in my business. I mainly, approach people through video. This is how I put my businesses on autopilot, but it's always something, bigger, to help you grow your business. I'm not going to make this video long. I know you're probably doing something way more important, but the link below is going to show you how I turn any of my businesses, into an autopilot business. I pretty much get leads coming in no matter when I'm out shopping, no matter what I'm doing, at home. This device, and I should say these devices, will bring people to you no matter where you go. This is no training program. This is nothing like that. This is an actual device. Sorry about my autofocus. This is an actual device that's going to take your business to the next level for all my Herbalife reps, especially those on Instagram. Maybe it's the younger ones. I'm not sure. Those on social media trying to grow the brand. I like what you guys are doing. I'm big on health and fitness. So I want to help you guys. But like I said, I'm not going to make this video too long. I have some other videos I got to get to. But make sure you visit the link below. It's going to take you to a capture page. Fill in a working email. And it's going to give you a little presentation. Let you know, this is how you take your business to the next level. But if say today is not the time, say you're busy, just make sure you subscribe to the channel. I release tips and tricks, all types of videos all the time. So subscribe to the channel, get us a thumbs up, and I'm pretty sure you'll be back around. But on that note, I hope this can give you some value. There's even big updates coming soon. So stay tuned, guys. Have a good one.